Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are driving through New Kingston and I want to talk to you guys about Vale Royal. Now, what do you think the government should do with Vale Royal? Should they demolish it and use the land for development because it's sitting on prime real estate? The land. Okay, first let's back up. Should the government demolish Vale Royal or should they restore it? Now, I know we had this discussion before to do with buildings in Spanish Town and downtown Kingston. So today we're going to talk about Vale Royal. Now, we will make a video with the actual footage of Vale Royal, but we're just giving you an update today. Now, it turns out that Vale Royal it's the official residence of the Prime Minister. However, the Prime Minister does not live there. It's an old building that needs a lot of work. I think it's even built out of board, if I'm not correct. It was built a long time ago. The Prime Minister currently lives in a house up in Beverly Hills. We have videos up of it. You can check it out. And that house is so fabulous, it has been discussed many times. But the official residence is Vale Royal. But I don't think it's been a while since a prime minister has lived at Vale Royal. And the condition of the house is in such a state that the artwork that is in the house was removed from the premises and taken to the National Gallery so that it would not get destroyed in the house. So I'm asking you guys, what you think? What you think they should do? Even if they restore Vale Royal, I don't see any prime minister living there. It would be best to restore it and make it a museum or something where people can take tours, school children can take tours. So, what do you guys think should be done with Vale Royal? Now, I'm going to go through an article that gives some more information on Vale Royal. A rehabilitation plan is being crafted for Vale Royal by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. This was disclosed by a minister without portfolio with responsibility for information in the Office of the Prime Minister, Honorable Robert Morgan, while responding to questions from members of the Standing Finance Committee of the House, which is reviewing the 2024-25 estimates of expenditure. He informed that Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness has mandated the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport and the Jamaica National Heritage Trust to urgently craft a plan for the rehabilitation of the facility. Vale Royal, formerly known as Prospect Pen, is located on Montrose Road in St. Andrew and is the official residence of the Prime Minister. Aspects of the facility have fallen into disrepair. There has been a lot of public conversation recently about Vale Royal. We are also concerned about the Jamaica National Heritage Trust is currently in the process of crafting a rehabilitation plan for Vale Royal, the minister said. That would not be in this allocation here. The money that would come from this for Vale Royal is to deal with security, the overall management of the property, but the building is a very old building that has not been maintained properly over time, and it is going to require significant financial infusion to fix. And that is what is being planned now by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, he added. He said contact will be made with the JNHT through its parent ministry regarding the timeline for the rehabilitation of the facility. We will definitely report back to Parliament and to you directly as to what the timeline is, he said in response to opposition member Mr. Morgan pointed out that work has been undertaken on the property to reduce the speed of deterioration until the rehabilitation can take place. I am aware that on several occasions workmen have gone there to essentially stop things from disintegrating. That is not sufficient, and we agree that this is not sufficient, and is why I think the proper solution is a full rehabilitation of the property, he said. He informed that the assets at the facility are secure, noting that artwork sensitive to moisture and other exposures have been relocated to the National Gallery. Alright, guys, so that is basically that's the update article and what's going on at Vale Royal. So I just want to go back through one part. That would not be in this allocation here. The money that would come from this for Vale Royal is to deal with security, the overall management of the property. But the building is in a very the building but the building is a very old building that has not been maintained properly over time, and it is going to require significant financial infusion to fix. Alright, so that's the part. It is going to require significant financial infusion to fix. So that's why I'm asking you guys, should they restore it? I just don't see any prime minister living at that residence again. What do you guys think? And also, the land that Vale Royal is on is worth millions of dollars. Millions. It's a massive piece of land in the Golden Triangle. So, I'm asking you guys what you think they should do. And based on what was said here, there is no money in the 2024-25 expenditure budget, capital expenditure budget, to fix this property. So it won't be, the rehabilitation won't start until next year, and the property is going to deteriorate even. The structure, the buildings will deteriorate even more. And I'm just curious. I don't know if anybody has an answer to this question, but if you do, you can leave it in the comment section below. If Vale Royal is the official residence of the Prime Minister and the government maintains it, does the government maintain the residence that he lives at now? I'm just asking. Guys, let us know if anybody knows the answer to that question. Let us know. Alright, guys. Thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, guys. Have a good day.